Is it like text? What is that? Email is the word. We have, I think we have put it as part of email. Email only. So email is the word. So let us put pattern, comma, email. You put my match obj. You see these many things. The entire things are getting matched. Now you can also put dot group and then groups. So guys, look at this. Group gives me the entire match because everything is getting matched. But when I give groups, hey, this is the say student name, this is the company name, this is the .com. So student, Maskep is the company name, .com is the like it's the .com or not. So guys, you use this kind of parenthesis, and then using groups, you should be able to take the individual elements. What is the data structure format here? Which data structure it is? Guys, which data structure it is?
Tuple.
Tuple. So in the groups, you will get the data type. Yeah, right. So it's a tuple, and the student points to the first bracket, whatever you have put. Second guy is so you will say, hey, this guy of 0 is a student name. This guy of 1 is the company name. Guy of 2 is a .com company or not. You can easily fetch that. So that is where these groups will be super useful. Let me quickly have a look at it if there's anything. Okay, so let me also do that replacement. MyStr5 equal to rain pain gain. Okay, so I put re dot sub. What is the older one? Gain. New one win. Which string? MyStr5 is the string. So if you see that this yen got changed, this yen got changed, this yen also got changed. Okay. Now, no, I want to do that only 2 times or 3 times. Then you should do something like a count. So for that, you put re dot sub. Do you see something like a count? You can also specify. So if you do like this, then everything is getting changes. So, but now you are telling, hey, count equal to 1. Do the change only 1 time. So only the first yen got changed to win, but next day did not get changed. Okay, so that is the purpose of giving count. So this is for the substitution, and I think we can also split based on re dot split. Okay, so count, it does not support count, right? What happened? What is MyStr5? It is this. So I'm putting re dot. So let us put help of re dot split. So okay, so you should give a pattern and then the string. Now okay, sorry guys, my mistake. So I give the older value and all, right? It cannot have 2 values. It should be only 1, right? Okay, based on yen, can you place a split? So now RPG. What is the MyStr5? Look at the MyStr5. Okay, it is rain, pain, gain. You split it based on this. So yen. Then R is left side, space P is on the other side. This ain't go there. Space G on the other side. No. Look at this. Single quote. No, wait. RE dot split will return you the list only. Groups will give you tuple. Find all will give you a list. Split will give you this thing. So here also you can see max split. How much time you want to split? You can specify. Max split equal to 2. So it will do splitting only 2 times. So our rain pain it did, but for gain it did not do. Why? Because I put the max split as a 2. If I put a 3, then 3 times it will print. RPG. Okay, so split sub will help you to do for the manipulation work. Search, match, compile, find all, everything will help you to do search and find. Where